may ask why there are holes in my bumper. We're gonna be putting in these LED lights for my trailers to be able to see better when they're backing up. So these do come with, I got these on Amazon. I think they're about $30. The wiring kit with the switch and everything's another 10. Come with a template. All you're gonna do is use that template to mark where you're gonna put your holes. The tools you're gonna need, you'll need a standard drill. You'll need a metal drill bit rather. What size was that one? It was a 7/32 that we used to make your 4 holes for the bolts. This is gonna be a flush mount light, and then those 2 I used to start for my jigsaw. I'm going to use a jigsaw to cut out that hole to solder this light in. So I'm going to cut that hole. We'll be right back. Ended up having to step up to a 1/4 inch drill bit for your pilot holes. I'll clean all this marks up. But use a drill bit to start your corners if you're going to use a jigsaw. A Dremel may have worked just as well, but it's what I had to go with. But these will slide right in there, and you got bolts and flat washers. You got a flat and a lock washer to put on the back with that nut, and snug all 4 of those up, and then put the other one on, and we'll get to wiring this thing together. Alright, so that's with screws tightened in. One side done. Gotta move to the other side now. So I'm gonna measure it off, make sure everything is even, and put the other side in, and we'll probably wire it up in the morning. And this is how that template lays out once you've measured it. Mine is 1 3/4 from the top and 12 inches from the same side as inside there. So those are my 4 pilot holes, and then these are my starter holes for my saw. And then you cut your hole, clean it up, put your light in, wire it up. All right, let's take a peek. I think that's gonna look pretty good once we get her wired up tomorrow. Reason I'm not wiring it tonight for you guys is the wiring kit just showed up today and I am not home. So anyway, this is a flush mount. I gotta do a little bit of paint and cleanup around it, just some smudges. So those are Off-Road Town brand, and again they come from Amazon for about $30. Very bright, so I'm really excited to get these things hooked up for helping me out on my trailers. So let's get these bad boys wired up and see what they look like. Alright, my buddy's finishing off. We've got these bad boys hooked in. Let's see what they look like. Woo! That's bright. I like it. Plenty of light for my trailer. Easy install, takes you a couple hours. Plenty of light for about $50 tops, depending on what kind of wires and plugs and everything you go with. But I hooked them right into my reverse lights, one of which is not working currently for some reason. I'll have to check that out. And then I'm gonna wire them to a switch as well so I can work independently of the reverse light. So check them out, see what you think. Reiterate just how bright these things are. Check this out on my reverse trailer, or on my backup camera. Put that dude right under it. Pretty cool.